number 2 me there.
Oh, so you get that? Alicia, I know the new second gen AirPods Pro that.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you're rich.
No. I just know to budget.
Budgeting? What she mean?
Well, my mom taught me. Like a plan for your saving and expenses, it basically keeps you on track for what you're saving for.
What?
Think of it like farming. You plant the seed today, and in a few months or even years, you reap the rewards.
Alright. But how you budget? And you no work and you not pay bills.
Well, I use my lunch money, and my parents even give me a little pocket money. Budgeting works, because I started saving for my AirPods in January, and I bought it in March. Every mickle, make a muckle.
Girl, you? Uncle that? Yeah, there.
Yes, girl. This is how you start. First, you track your income. These are all the money you get. Then, you list your expenses. These are the things you spend the money on, like food, snack, or lunch, or even our taxi and bus fare. Then, you differentiate between your wants and your needs. Needs are the essentials, and the wants are things like games or the latest fashion.
Well, it look like me I spend more money on wants than needs.
Well, you can fix that. First, you find a spending limit, and that is, don't go overboard. Then, you don't pass $1,000 for the week.
Well, me, I gotta start budget for my birthday trip on the grill.
And me, I got budget for the 15 Pro Max.
You'll be saving for the rest of your life.
Well, guys, your goals have to be realistic, so don't pass the money that you don't have.
Alright, I guess I can settle for the 11.
So budgeting aside, Alicia, what you listen to?
Jerusalem.
Hey!
So remember, budget for your dreams, plan today, thrive tomorrow.